I've mentioned before the issue that we're having right now with herbicides and pesticides. Two of the biggest are glyphosate and atrazine, which is used in the GMO world in terms of these are herbicides that basically can be used on GMO plants in the soil. It doesn't kill the plant, but it kills everything that will kill the plant. So the plants are genetically modified to become resistant to these herbicides, but they do take these herbicides inside their bodies, inside their leaves, inside their vegetables. And the problem is that those GMO chemicals, herbicides, get into our body, and they are extreme. And just like they prevent certain microbes from damaging the plant, they actually have a very negative impact on our microbiome. So all this talk we hear about the dangers of glyphosate, you could bring it down to how it damages the microbiome, and most people are getting sort of hip to the complexity and the diversity and the amazing impact that the microbiome, which is the bacterial yeast diversity that's in our body, and how important that is. So when we damage that and we weaken the linings of the small intestine, and toxins get into the bloodstream, when we damage that, it can create a ton of problems. So glyphosate itself, when it gets into the cell, it's very easily absorbed into the cell, and it doesn't go away that quickly. But if we try to eat cleaner, and ideally eating organic. Now, there's even conversations out there about organic. Not all organic is free of glyphosate because it gets blown over. There's some people out there that are claiming to be organic. They're not being as organic as they should be, and there's they're getting through some loopholes. But that's where it comes down to. If you can know where your food is grown, and go to your local organic farms as much as possible, it's really worth eating organic as much as possible, especially now more than ever, because these pesticides and herbicides are really damaging the gut, and it can most likely it's leading to a ton of really big problems for people over time. I think we're at a tipping point where we can't play around with this stuff anymore and think we can be really healthy and live a long, ripe old age in really good health if we don't start nipping this in the bud and making some choices yourself. So eat local, go organic, and try to find out if your organic food is really organic. And there have been some issues, but still it's worth doing that for your health. Like I said, it damages the gut, very toxic to the cells, highly oxidizing and damaging. So, and also the atrazine I mentioned before, basically it's a hormone disruptor, and a lot of people, very likely, some of their hormonal issues are coming from these herbicides and pesticides. So have a great day.